Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking control of a vital element of our computer experience, the mouse pointer. In this video, I am going to show you how you can customize your mouse and properties. So you can see in here, this PC. Go to this PC icon, open this to go setting. From here you can open your setting or you can click on Windows. From here go to setting. These are the same thing. From here go to device and here you can see this mouse option. Go to this mouse and here in the right corner you can see this option, related setting, adjust mouse and cursor size, additional mouse option. You can see there are two settings available. Now I am go adjust mouse and cursor size. From here you can increase your pointer size or you can change pointer color also. From here you can see the differences, or you can choose custom color from here. You can see my mouse pointer is changed. So I'm going to select the first one, default one, and click on back. So you can understand this option. Now you can go to this additional mouse setting or you can go to back and you can choose this one. These are the same thing, additional mouse option. So I'm going to click this one. From here you can see the button, ports, pointer option, wheel and hardware. So in button you can see you can increase speed of your mouse from here. So I'm going to go, so click on pointers. From here you can see the default one. From here you can change this. Now you can see the changes. So this is our default one. So you can see the all different mouse pointer from here. If I click on OK, you can see my mouse pointer is changed. So go to this setting again. And you can change also pointer option from here. You can also select a pointer speed. You can increase or decrease speed from here. So I am happy with the default one. You can also change the roll of the wheel. And you can see my mouse type. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more upcoming videos.